My name is Maria Zoe Sommer, and I'm from Denmark. I'm an alumni of the MIT Global Entrepreneurship Bootcamp Class 4 and the MIT Global Entrepreneurship Teacher Bootcamp Class 2, both in August 2016. I have been an entrepreneur by heart since I started an online supermarket in 2007. When we closed down, I was part of other startups before I decided to pass on my experience. I thus became an educator at Copenhagen Business Academy in 2015. I started teaching at the bachelor program in innovation and entrepreneurship. But what I noticed was that the students were missing what I had missed: a structure and a framework of how to go from an idea to launch. I stumbled across the 24 Steps to a Successful Startup by Bill Arlett, and I just immediately knew that that was the book that we had been looking for. But it was written for entrepreneurs and not educators. So to learn how to teach the method, I signed up for the Teacher Bootcamp. What I came home with was unexpected knowledge of the struggles of being part of a team. It reminded me of how it is to be a student. Most people don't realize the importance of the team until they're struggling in their own team. Often they don't know how to solve the problems and they think they're better off as lonely wolves. But they are not, and it has become a big challenge to teach. Since I came back from the bootcamp, I've taught 120 students the methods of 24 steps. The outcome is that several of them will now implement the method in the company of their upcoming internship. 120 new students will be ready to be taught the method in September 2017. We have created a better bachelor program because of 24 steps, and with the basis in place, we are able to improve the program even more, because we want to be the first school of choice of aspiring future entrepreneurs in Denmark. Please don't hesitate to contact me if you want to know more.